Right, so today we're going to check and fit a kayak. So what we want to do first is we want to check the handles. So making sure that there's no wear or tear and that's all intact and that it's not going to come off. And then we'll do the same at the back. And then we can do a little tear too. As well as this, we can make sure the bung is nice and secure by twisting it to the right, not the left. Next, we want to flip the kayak over, and we're going to check for any deep scratches or holes or dents underneath the kayak, because this could affect us when we're on the water. And we're going to turn it back over, and we'll check the same on the top and around the sides. We can have a little feel. Also, we have the foam underneath here. We want to make sure that the foam isn't going to be coming out. We also want to push down and check for no discoloration, that the kayak is still strong and it's not going to collapse when we're on the water. We've also got the rests inside for our knees, and we want to make sure that these are attached, there's no cracks, all the bolts are secure, and we'll do the same on the other side. We want to check the elastics at the back. We'll check the elastics at the back and do a tear test, so the backrest is in place. As well as this, we want to check the airbags, making sure that the airbags have lots of air in, so this will be blowing up when we finish. So they need to have lots of air in to stay afloat. And we'll take out the other one. So this is flat and will need blowing up with air. Also, we're going to check the feet rest. So, with the feet rest, we've got the metal going all the way across, and we want to make sure that the screws work. So we'll undo them. And that we can pull it back. And then this enables the feet rest to come forward, so we adjust it to our body. And then we'll tighten it back up. And we'll do the same on the other side quick. So this one moves fine as well. I can't actually put it back. And then we'll tighten it back up. Right, now I'm going to show you how to fit a kayak. So we're going to go in. We're going to sit on the back, we're going to slide our feet in and move ourselves forward. So the feet rest, which are at the bottom, we want our feet resting on the feet rest with our legs pushed up against the side, like so. And we're sitting back in our seat, like so.